Hey guys, I'm Sarah. Every week I comb through hundreds of DIY videos preparing projects for our weekly maker show, Make or Break. Along the way, I find some good ones and some great ones. And right now, I'm gonna share them with you. This is Sarah's top 5 DIY shoe storage. Now before we get to the first one, go ahead and hit that thumbs up for me. And if you have not already subscribed, go do that now. All right, let's get to it. Number 5 is Darbin Orvar. I don't know about you, but I feel like my family's shoes multiply overnight, and even worse, they all seem to accumulate at the door. It's super annoying and they are always in the way. Well, Lynn wanted to solve this very same problem in her house, but does not have a lot of room for a large piece of furniture. So she set out to make a narrow tower-like structure with angled shelves so you can just tuck your shoes down into the cubbies. And it doesn't need to be as deep as the shoes because it's going down at an angle. Super clever. This turned out really cute, and the extra architectural detail at the top definitely adds to this piece. Lynn, this is really pretty and functional. I dig it. Number 4 is Make for Others. If you have more shoes and a little bit more space, something like this shoe cubby that Dave made might be better for you. Dave's channel is pretty cool. Like his namesake, he builds things for other people, and in this instance, he built a shoe storage solution for a large family. This looks like a fun project, and it obviously holds a ton of shoes. Since he made this so tall and deep enough for the shoes, there's a lot of space on the top that would be perfect for a catch-all station. You know, for like your keys, mail, backpacks, things like that. Dave, I hope the family loved this project. This is awesome. Number 3 is Macy Designs. This is a larger scale storage solution for shoes, coats, and bags, a perfect addition for a foyer or a mudroom. Now Sam actually made these for a gym, but this would work great for your house or garage. This is basically a lot of plywood, glue, and screws, but the final outcome is really, really pretty and can be customized to your specific needs. I love that about this. Something special I would like to note is how creative and entertaining the video production aspect of this build was to watch. If you're looking for a fun build to get your shoe pile under control, this is the video for you. Number 2 is Homemade Modern. Jamie went with more of my style of storage solutions for shoes. Out of sight, out of mind. She made this fun little farmhouse looking bench with a really pretty leather cushioned top. Yeah, that's leather. This is such a simple build, and you don't need a lot of tools to make this happen. I really love how Jamie finished this too. It's super clean and rustic looking. This is a perfect little piece to have extra seating near your door, and it doubles perfectly as shoe storage that keeps your walkway clean and tidy. Number 1 is Fix This, Build That. Brad decided to build a shoe storage bench out of plywood and 1x2s for the base, and this really pretty walnut for the top. Now this bench has 2 open shelves in the base that you can easily throw your shoes on it when you get home, or grab them and go when you need to. He really made this project look easy, and I would love to attempt something like this for my house by the front door. Now Brad shares some great tips and tricks of what to do and what not to do on a project like this. This is such a simple build, but pretty and functional at the same time. Brad, thank you so much for sharing this project and your plans for this build. Alright, that's it. I hope you guys liked my list, but of course, if you found a project you think should have made it onto my list, just leave it in the comments below and I'll be sure to go check them out. Do me a favor and like this video, and if you have not already subscribed to Belts and Boxes, please go do that now, and be sure to hit the bell so you don't miss any of our shows that come out during the week. You can catch me every Friday at 5 p.m. for the Power Tool Week in Review with Rob, and every Saturday at 6 p.m. for our next episode of Make or Break. We'll see you then.